Hey guys, Crystal here for you today. Look at this fun and bright card I have today using April Kit of the Month, and the stamp says Morning Dove, released in March, and Include Yourself in Beauty. Using black ink, yellow ink, some washi tape, and your card base. To begin, I will be using the yellow ink and doing repetitive stamping directly onto my card base, and I am trying to focus to just stamp the flowers, not necessarily the large leaves. I have pre-cut a matching color cardstock to match the ink, putting that with flat adhesive onto the center of the card. Now I'm going to stamp the sentiment from Morning Dove, and it says your kindness means so much. Once that is stamped and the ink is dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and I'm going to place it behind the pear. You're probably wondering why. I just wanted to make sure that I was going to stamp it properly instead of placing it directly on the card base. Again, using some foam adhesive, I'm going to place that onto the strip and then placing my pear. And that, my friends, is how I made this card. It's a really fun and easy way to make lovely cards using your April Kit of the Month. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day.